We are here in Sorrento.
The beginning of Amalfi Coast from Napoli. Very tourist area, nice. Good limoncellos, good restaurants, and good food. Not the most ideal weather for a beach holiday, but still good to be here.
Yes, because tomorrow the weather is going to be great and we have something planned out already. I hope it goes well. But today, although we were tired, we refreshed ourselves and now we are here in Sorrento. We just had a great Italian lunch. I had gluten-free Italian pizza and now we're walking towards the Peters Beach and I will show you around here. Welcome to day 3 in Sorrento, Italy. Yesterday was a very fun day and right now we are going on a boat tour. It's gonna take around 8 hours and we are very excited about it. They are gonna take us to very cool places and also we will be visiting Capri Island. So we booked this tour through vieta.com and they are arranging everything and yeah, it's gonna be a great day.
On the right side that looks like a statue from here, and it does look like the statue of the Virgin Mary. It's all natural. Do you see?
Can we see?
Now I get closer. Let's wait.